Nisuwing ba sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko naram chaksowa anga Alicia A sangma nasimang na dali kuburang ko parkatinga khatsa bichungrang ke kholachitok school rang teacher yung inga Tura Medical College Militant rang nakhatna panyunga piti saukni ILP ni gaman sorkari ko singani ko takanga JJTC ni chairman NPPO napa sorkari MECL ni casual worker rang ko regularize kana chakanga poshan ma anganwadi campaign ko diragata Chugumukpa Kuborang, Yajani Chibongatari ko Assembly Session ne Mele Zenit Sangma, Education Minister in charge ko school rang was Kigaparang Dongjani Gamanus ngan ko takanga, Lakmen Rumbe Agana ngagi Kolachitok school rang donga, Sodgaru Hill so dok LP school Jones Kik Parang Dong Tukcha, Yago Knain Basangma Bukan Yani Gaman Kamrangko, Taknan Kandabianga, Yani Gaman Anga Baita Bachang, Singani ko takanga Arota Bang.Ap post rang na Bangbang Idunga ni Zenit Sangma Gananga. Zenit Sangmani Singani na Sorkar de High Court ni order ko san Jarkenga. Teacher rangko kamna raan yo wamang rooster system ko sa Jarkenga aru rooster system chisan teacher rangko siyokinga ani Lakmen Rumbe Agananga ha.
Sir, we have been raising this issue repeatedly even inside this house and even outside the house for the larger interest of the people of the state. Now, there are a number of vacant posts to be filled up. And as the Honorable Minister has stated, due to retirement, due to transfer, due to resignation, these schools have become teacherless. So why the induction or the appointment, even on contractual basis, is not met to ensure the continuation of education of the children in these schools?
Sir, I have already stated in the House a few days back. So, sir, this problem happened in the midst of doing of recruitment process and also preparing for the recruitment process, where due to the judgment of the Honorable High Court that we have to prepare the roster system. So preparation of roster system is almost complete, and we hope that we will be able to do this process as early as possible.
Kambegri ni MLA Saleng Sangma Brisiba Salo Tura Medical College ko tharing pa Biap para namgijak pa mandirani ruani ajasa ngajok ini agananga ha. Atita jarang nas khangsak sutsni ranikta masi gije namgijak pa mandirang ko unun ka ni angna report ka ha ni wa agan tapang ku ha. Yago Khatain Health Minister James Sangma agan chakani ko unskaha taon depet ang naandak pa mamong report rang supakuja indi ba Home Department ni mandirang ko Biapo na riange am sandian ko dakchina agan ge ini James Sangma agan chakaha Surkari ya project ko machutat na skinga aro daon depet kurs utpisa ko jakajok aro yade 60% sa nungkwinga ni bawa agan tapang kuha.
Now last few months back I got a report that around 17 numbers of unknown in a militant outfit, it seems like they were there. So whether any kind of an intelligent report is there, if these kind of project are being left out, then it becomes the, the heaven for the, or maybe the layer for the criminal activity. So I would like to, yes. So I would like to ask our Honorable Minister whether any kind of information is, is having for that particular area, or any kind of, construction will be started soon.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am very thankful to the Honourable Member for his concern. And sir, I have not received any report as such of any kind of such kind of activities taking place, sir. And this is, of course, a matter which is pertaining to the Home Police Department. So if there is any information that the Honourable Member may be having, sir, we have noted it down and we will pass it on to the Home Department so that they can do due diligence and inquire into this matter, sir. Let me assure the Honourable Member that it is the sincere endeavour of this government to complete this project, sir, and to see that this very prestigious Tura Medical College can be, completed. Pursuant to that, sir, I would like to inform the Honourable Member that we have a committee which is headed by the Secretary of Health in the government, who is monitoring the progress of the construction and the status of the project, sir. And I would also like to inform the honourable member that we have achieved 33% in terms of physical progress, sir. That is in relation to 17% in terms of the financial progress, sir. And I would like to again, assure the honourable member that we will pass this matter on to the Home Department, so that if there were any such incidences which were occurring in the premises, those can be tackled by the Home Department.
Shillong maulai ni MLA PT Saukhmi adok ni sorkari ko adok ko ILP ko raga chini dabiani ko chusukat na central ni sorkari ko didi china mulanga ha. Anga chancha sorkari yani gemen golpui tharake central ni sorkari ko gisik ratani ko dako namgen enewa aga dapang kuha. PT Saukhmi sorkari ko adok ni MP rang ko ba yani gemen central baksa golpur gurkani ko takna gata didi china mulanga ha. Skotong minister Conrad Sangma agan chakani ko takang skaha aru yani gemen chinga Ministry of Home Affairs ni agan chakani ko san Singinga ne aganangaha.
Of reminding the government of India of this issue. So I am saying that, sir, that if we recall that the state of Manipur, 3 times on the floor of the House, they have already passed a solution again to remind. So on this, may I know from Honorable Chief Minister, for nearly completion of 2 years, or is there any official communication from the government of India to the government of Meghalaya? That official talk is already going on this issue, sir?
So we have, of course, expressed and shown our seriousness on this issue by passing the resolution on 19th of December 2019, and further it was sent to Government of India on 23rd of December 2019. And post that also, sir, we have I have personally followed up with Government of India, with the Honourable Home Minister, in writing twice to him, reminding him about this resolution that we passed, and also as a memorandum which was submitted by the Cabinet when the Honourable Home Minister had come to Shillong for a meeting of the NEC. And continuously, sir, the efforts are on from our side. Even at unofficial levels, discussions and talks are taking place. But this, of course, is a process, and it requires continuous engagement with Government of India. And we are trying our best, but from our side as a government and all the members who are present in this House, the fact that we have passed this resolution is the most serious step that we have taken till date to show our concern and our stand on the ILP. Hence, sir, as of now, as I said, there is that is the communication that has taken place, the resolution, sending of the resolution, and 3 letters being sent, 2 letters plus 1 memorandum, which has gone from the government to the Ministry of Home Affairs.
GHADC Chairman Sanki Shangpung Arunong Spung Soyong MDC Sharbolang El Maulong Bristibaru NPPO Napaha Wamang Skutong Minister Shri Conrad Sangma Deputy Chief Minister Preston Song Rajya Sabha ni Member WR Karluki Arugapun Rangni Dongpa Anyo Partio Napa Deputy Chief Minister Power in Charge Preston Song Mandirang ni emisial na casual workerang ko niam ni geta regularize khana geta dabiani na kuchakanga kam kha gaparang ko bilsi rucha chichegni ni regularize khaani niamo pangchake mandirang ni dabiani rang emisial na datla jajengani Ong.A ni President Song agananga ha wani opposition Chief Jian Umroy ni Legislator George P. Lingdo ni singani na ya 0R notice Ong.O agan chakasa Ong.A ne agan dapang kwa Casual worker rang ko regularize khaani bidingo aro October jani bilsi hajalgani chichetoni hajalgani chiskuni February na dol mahamat gije tungga parang MCL Progressive Workers Union MEPWU ni kita dabian ko takanga September jako poshan ma ba ansing baljokani ja ni manyanga ya manyan ko poshan abhiyan ni ngo manyanga aro ya manyan ni bilsi dok ni ngo dongpa bisa Rangni benan singani na aro namruani na uko dongpa mi chikrang na aro bisa na chokhan gwa mi chikrang na muksong yung atanga ha arya maniani chi anganwadi worker Rangni songsal ko nam dapat na kam khani ko ba mani jola bisa rami achia anemia aro beeni ongsia ni gumkan nanga gata chani rang ko man gijani aselonga arya gumkan bisa ni jangi thanganio unis khira gani rang ko banosto kha anching namme ja khudeo de drang ko makhangchi namgpa ongna aro magpa rang na namgpa jangi thangna chol khobo namangen yarang gumko chanchi aro gumk ni namgani na district administration adopt an anganwadi in gaba campaign ko abachenga tinga ha officer NGO college school rang ko anganwadi raga china didyanga ha yan dalna khoboronga ni sweng pasakanti kon methela